In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google, and finally passwords. Now to edit one of the added ones, click on the chosen one, enter your current login method and hit edit button right next to the delete one. Now you can change wherever you wish to. And when you are ready, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!